7 final revision notes. What is light? Times light is a form of energy that allows us to see objects. Times it travels in straight lines and at very high speed, about 3 lakh km/s in air. Sources of light. Times natural, sun, fireflies, lightning. Times artificial, bulb, candle, tube light. Luminous versus non-luminous objects. Type definition examples. Luminous give their own light. Sun, torch, bulb. Non-luminous reflect light from other sources. Moon, book, chair. Transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Type light passes. Examples transparent follicular glass, water translucent the partially butter paper, frosted glass opaque not at all wood, metal, wall. Term meaning incident the ray that hits the mirror reflected ray the ray that bounces off the mirror normal an imaginary line at 90 degrees to the mirror surface point of incidence the point where the incident ray strikes the mirror. Times these laws hold true for plane mirrors and even curved mirrors at small points. Times angle is always measured from the normal, not from the mirror. Times white light is made of 7 colors, Vibgya. Times when colors are subtracted, absorbed, the color we see is the one that is reflected. Times example, a red shirt absorbs all colors except red, which is reflected to your eyes. A black object absorbs all colors and reflects none. Times opaque objects do not emit light. Times their color depends on the light they reflect. A green leaf reflects green light. A white object reflects all colors. A black object reflects none, absorbs all. Times happens in plane mirrors. Times your left appears right and right appears left in the mirror. Times this is called lateral inversion. Example, words like ambulance are written reversed on ambulances. Times caused by dispersion of sunlight through rainwater droplets. Times the droplet acts as a tiny prism, splitting white light into 7 colors, Vibgya. Times the process includes refraction, dispersion, reflection, refraction again. Times a plane mirror reflects light in a regular way. Times the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Times important properties. Image is virtual, erect, laterally inverted, and same size as the object. Mirror type shape image formed uses concave invert curve, cave-like, real or virtual, depends on object distance, torch, headlights, shaving mirrors convex outward curve always virtual, smaller rear view mirrors in vehicles. Concept key point light path travels in straight lines reflection light bouncing back from a surface refraction bending of light when it changes medium. Concept key point dispersion splitting of white light into 7 colors lateral inversion left right reversal in mirror rainbow natural dispersion plus reflection in rain. Times white light is equal to 7 colors times mirror image is equal to virtual, same size, laterally inverted times rainbow is equal to sunlight plus water drops times concave is equal to zoom in. Convex is equal to zoom out times black is equal to absorbs all, white is equal to reflects all times transparent lets all light through, opaque blocks all light.
Overview.